So, the Chinese Red Dog, the trainability is something that is beautiful, that we're proofing every single day. We're improving the
Fuck on my
standard.
bro done, that's my jigger. Splash what a chiller, turn them simmer. When Joe came home, money got bigger. Brown and bougie, all she a winner. Karma when we fry up, man. I'm putting money on their head like a Niger man. I know them boy don't like the gang. I think they hate Mad Maxi, a frightening man. She love me, but she hate my habit. Splash and brag it, ops can't manage. Turn them cabbage, free bro savage. Free all my savage is. I need more gal to put my mashes with. Hey, I'ma was the message from my Spanish chick. Ooh, still putting 5 on shoes. That gal there pretty, hey, come here, miss. Cool kid, I got the block hot. I have your done shot to when I pull up where you hang. Barbies on the kid and they flex with the gang. Ooh, I got another check in the bank. Cool kid, I got the block hot. I have your done shot to when I pull up where you hang. Barbies on the kid and they flex with the gang. Ooh, I got another check in the bank. G checks if them boy move shifty. Diss me, I'm aiming nothing lower than a kidney. But we feeling big shot, step wapsha. My brother got the pumpy, not a frisbee. We love lurk with them pricks be. And fuck Jim, I make an inch boy, run off from this 15. Jump off and jump out, we getting quickly. Mask on my face, the witness thought I was bisty. Man up brass, they ain't falling right. 4 jeans, cold cost 9, normal price. Ooh, she nice, had to say it twice. And be fast, that's pressure, splash whenever. Cut that sweater, should've known better. When shit got on their block, we knew that would happen like a fortune teller. Cool kid, I got the block hot. I have your done shot to when I pull up where you hang. Barbies on the kid and they flex with the gang. Ooh, I got another check in the bank. Cool kid, I got the block hot. I have your done shot to when I pull up where you.
So you can see the fantastic condition of this Chinese Red Dog that was bred at the academy, and it's a pleasure to present to you guys the Uncle Benji's raw dog food. You just look at the quality. The protein sources are farmed at Stanhope Farm, my farm. The quality of this food is incredible, and the dogs are showing a fantastic coat condition, BMI, muscular structure, just overall vibrance. Try it. Order today at poochdvd.com.